Namaste everyone. Welcome back to my channel again. Weight loss is the hot topic always to discuss. Many of us wants to lose weight, wants to get slim. Many of my viewers asked if I'm going to share the video on weight loss tips. I was about to make the same. But before that, a thought came in my mind to make you all understand we need to go to the root cause why the weight gain happens, why you start putting on weight. So in this video, first let us understand what are those habits that make you to put on weight. Once you understand that, probably following a weight loss journey will be very easy for you. I'm going to discuss the 5 unhealthy habits which are responsible for you to gain weight. Habits are stored in our subconscious mind. We follow it knowingly or unknowingly. Some are good habits which create a great impact on our health, but some are bad habits which we have to get rid of for the sake of our good own health. Yeah. So the number one is skipping breakfast. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day. We all know that, right? But many of us don't have breakfast. Maybe first reason is they don't have time to have breakfast, they have to rush to the work. Nobody is there to cook the breakfast. Some people don't feel like eating in the morning, and many of them do not eat for calorie restriction. They don't want to eat a lot of calories in the entire day. That is why they skip the breakfast. But if you skip the breakfast, you must have noticed you overeat in the lunchtime. You eat a lot in the lunch. High metabolism is very important for you to lose weight. In the morning, the body metabolism is high. But if you skip your breakfast, the metabolism goes down and it interferes with your weight loss. So to keep your metabolism high, you have to fuel your body with a good breakfast. Maybe a oatmeal or a fruit with a milk or a fruit bowl or some simple healthy breakfast you can have. Yeah, so do not skip the breakfast ever. Second is emotional eating. Emotions are very much connected with the food. We all know that, right? When we are too much happy, we eat a lot. When we are sad or depressed, again we start eating a lot. But when we are sad or depressed, the mind automatically attracts you towards the sugary foods like cookies or donuts or chocolates or cold drinks or something like that. Emotions, when you are emotionally sad or maybe are depressed or feeling lonely, the cortisol level, the stress hormone in the body increases. This creates a hormonal imbalance in the body, making your metabolism go down. The metabolism lowers, and this again affects your weight loss journey, because when your metabolism is down, the body starts putting on fat and you start putting on weight again. So to avoid this, avoid having food when you are extremely stressed or depressed. Divert your mind. Call to a friend or listen to the music, go for a walk. Divert your mind in such a way that you do not tend to eat food. Stay away from the kitchen. And then probably after few hours you will realize that the hormones are little balanced, your mood is better, and then you can go ahead and have something. Third is eating out frequently. It's a norm to eat out frequently in this era, especially when you have everything just a click away, like Zomato, Swiggy, phone kiya and you get the order at home. I would suggest you to stick to home cooked meals as much as possible. And we know it is possible. We realize that in this quarantine period, right? It is possible to cook everything at home. Because when you eat out, suppose if you're eating 3 to 4 times in a week, eating out, definitely you're intaking the calorie intake is high, and the body is going to put on weight. Even if there is no option and you have to eat out, you can definitely choose wisely. Like you go for a sandwich, you go for a tomato omelette, You go for a vegetable with hummus, you go for a idli sambar, dosa. Try to go such healthy foods rather than going for a extremely high fat foods or junk foods. Yeah. So try to stick to home cooked meals, or whenever there is a necessity to eat out, choose wisely. Number 4, lack of sleep. Sleep is like a nutrition to your body. I've seen many people to, focuses on diet and nutrition, diet and exercise extremely well. They eat wisely, they eat on time, they exercise for 2-3 hours, but still they struggle in losing weight because they don't take care of their sleep pattern. If you are sleeping only 4-5 hours, the body again is into the stress mode. The cortisol hormone goes up, the hormonal imbalance, and the metabolism drops down. We need about 8 hours of sleep, approximately 7 to 8 hours of sleep. Everybody is different. If you have a lack of sleep, definitely the body metabolism is down and you will start putting on weight. So work on these factors if you find that you are doing everything right but still you are not able to lose weight. And the last one is heavy dinners or eating late at night. Many of us have our schedules in such a way, or we feel eating like having a dinner and then sleeping. It's like a king, you know. We have eaten a dinner, relaxed, and then we go to sleep. In the evening time, the body doesn't require that much of energy because there is no physical activity as such. So whatever food you're consuming, if you're consuming a heavy dinner, a little amount is used up by the body, the rest is converted into fat and stored, leading to a weight gain. Also, if you are having a heavy dinner and sleeping after some time, maybe in an hour or so, there is a chances of feeling acid reflux, acidity, heartburn, these kind of issues, digestive issues you might face. And if the body is acidic, there is again a problem in losing weight. So the dinner has to be 3 hours before your bedtime. That's the ideal apt time. So I'm sure this is like a golden tip. If you will start having your dinner early, you will definitely start seeing you are progressing better in your weight loss journey. So I'll revise again the 5 tips. So first is not skipping breakfast, emotional eating, avoiding when you are stressed out, not eating out frequently, lack of sleep, and not having heavy dinners. These habits increases your weight, lowers your metabolism, and are detrimental to your health. So avoid these habits, change your lifestyle, and then you will definitely start seeing an improvement in your weight loss journey if you have been on this. Yeah. So I'm sure you will work on these habits, think about it, and you will find out which are the habits which is making you to put on weight and start working on that. In the next video, we will definitely be discussing about some more weight loss tips which will help you to lose your weight faster. Till then, eat smart, exercise enough, and deep sleep. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, press the like button, and also share and subscribe to my channel so that many people are benefited from this. Yeah. So have a great day ahead. Enjoy your quarantine time. And if you have any questions, comments, please post in the comment box. Thank you so much.